Hello Web3 fam, today I will guide you on how to create your own prediction market with Choice platform. So first, make sure you have your Ethereum in base as your gas fee. Then once you have your Ethereum as well as your account, so click this one, the create button on your Chrome extension. Then create your prediction question. So I have prepared mine. So this one: will the Los Angeles Lakers win Game 5 of the 2026 NBA Western Conference first round against the Houston Rockets? Then don't forget to add or upload image. Then once you have your image, you can select the deadline. So Game 5 will ends on Thursday HKT time. So that will be April 30. Then the time is around 12 noon. So that will be a PM. Okay. Make sure you create first a tweet so that you can post your tweet here as related link. So this is optional, but normally I add this part. So I already have a tweet. Then I will just copy the link, then paste it here. Then click next. Then make sure to add the how to resolve this market. I also prepared the resolution for this prediction market. So I will just copy paste here this one. So the resolution date will be upon completion of the Game 5 on April 30 HKT Hong Kong time. So this is my how to resolve this prediction market. Then click next. Then you can buy. So I click buy. So this is my own prediction, and you can also skip by clicking no. So then click preview. So this one. So once the details is good, you can confirm and submit. So that's it. So just wait for the team approval, and once the prediction your own prediction market is approved, you can also predict here. So that's it.